Example number 1.4. Let A is 3, 4, 7, 8 and B is 1, 7, 10. Which of the following sets are relations from A to B? Here three sums are given. First one, R1 is 3, 7, 4, 7, 7, 10, 8, 1. R2, 3, 1, 4, 12. R3, 3, 7, 10, 4, 10, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 11, 8, 7 and 8, 10. Example number 1.4 given. A is 3, 4, 7, 8. B is 1, 7, 10. A class B is 3, 4, 7, 8. Class 1, 7, 10. Set of order pairs 3, 1, 3, 7, 3, 10. 4, 1, 4, 7, 4, 10. 7, 1, 7, 7, 7, 10. 8, 1, 8, 7, 8, 10. First question. R1 3, 7, 4, 7, 7, 10 and 8, 1. The relation is given. 4 order pairs is there. Compared to the A cross B, 3, 7, 3, 7 is there. 4, 7, 4, 6 is also there. 7, 10, 7, 10 also there. 8, 1, 8, 1 also there. We note that R1 is a subset of A cross B. Thus, R1 is a relation from A to B. Second one, R2. R2 is 3, 1 and 4, 12. 3, 1 compared to A cross B. 3, 1, 3, 1. And 4, 12. In A cross B, we are not have 4, 12. So, it is not a relation. Here, we have 4, 12 is a order pair. That belongs to R2. But 4, 12 is not an element in A cross B. So, R2 is not a relation from A to B. Third one, R3 is 3, 7, 4, 10, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 11, 8, 7, 8, 10. 3, 7 compared to the order pair A cross B. 3, 7, here 3, 7. 4, 10, 4, also there. 7, 7, 7, 7 also there. 7, 8 is not an element in A cross B. 7, 8 is not an element there. 8, 11 is not an element in A cross B. 8, 7 is an element. 8, 10 is an element. Here 7, 8, 8, 11 is belongs to R3. But 7, 8 and 8, 11 is not belongs to A cross B. So, R3 is not a relation from A to B. Exercise 1.2, sum number 1. Let A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and B is 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Which of the following are relation from A to B? Here 4 relations are given. To find which of them is relation. Given A is 1, 2, 3, 7. B is 3, 0, minus 1, 7. A cross B. Order pass 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, minus 1, 2, 7, 3, 0, 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 1, 3, 7, 7, 3, 7, 0, 7, minus 1, 7, 7. First one, R1 is 2, 1 and 7, 1. Two, 1 is not an element in A cross B. 7, 1 also not an element in A cross B. We note that 2, 1 and 7, 1 belongs to R1, but 2, 1 and 7, 1 not belongs to A cross B. So R1 is not a relation from A to B. Second one, R2 minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. We note that minus 1, 1 is belongs to R2, but minus 1, 1 not belongs to A cross B. So R2 is not a relation from A to B. Third one, R3 2, minus 1, 7, 7, 1, 3. We note that 2, minus 1, 7, 7, 1, 3 is belongs to R3. R3 is a subset of A cross B. Thus, R3 is a relation from A to B. Fourth one, R4 7, minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 7. 0, 3 and 0, 7 belongs to are 4. But 0, 3 and 0, 7 not an element in A cross B. So R4 is not a relation from A cross B. Example number 1.5. The arrow diagram shows a relationship between the sets B and Q. Write the relation in set builder form, roster form. What is the domain and range of R? Here, see the arrow diagram. We have the element 5, 6, 7, 8. In set Q, the elements are 3, 4, 5. In from P to Q, 3 numbers are related, 5, 6 and 7. 5 is related to 3. 5 minus 2, we get 3. 6 related to 4. 6 minus 2, we get 4. 7 related to 5. 7 minus 2, we get 5. So, the relation is y is equal to x minus 2. The set builder form of R relation. X comma y. X is the element in P. Y is the element in Q. Y such that y is equal to x minus 2. X is 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2, we get 4. 7 minus 2, we get 5. X belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Roster form of R. 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. From P, 5, 6, 7. That are domains. Range. In Q, all the elements are related with P. So, 3, 4, 5 are range. Null relation. A relation which contains no element is called a null relation. Do you know? If n of A is P, n of B is Q, then the total number of relations that exist from A to B is 2 power PQ. That is, in the set A, number of elements is P, in set B, number of elements is Q. The number of relation we get from A to B is 2 power PQ.